Darian Thomas, and today I'm going to change out my water valve here, but as you see, I turn it on, it's got a good leak. It's a really good leak there. So it's not the line itself. It looks like it's obviously the line, but it's actually not the line itself. I'm going to show you how to change these out fairly quickly, and yeah, go from there. So one of the first things you want to do is you want to make sure the water's off. So I have the water off here. The nice thing about this is too, I can also turn the water off to this line, which is good. If you don't have that, you can turn the whole entire water off. Definitely would probably recommend, turning off the entire water to the entire house. But for this video, I'm just going to turn it off here. So I'm going to try to get all the water out. Obviously, I got all of the water out of the line. And now I'm going to unloosen my water line. All right. So I loosen that. Once I unloosen it, I'm going to take this off. All right, and I got have a drain here, so I'm able to use that. Put the water line there. And now what you want to do, so these two are separate. So what you want to do is you want to take this off. I'm going to use a fairly large wrench to take this off. And then once I take this off, I'll show you what the next step is to do. You see, here's my wrench that I'm using. You just want to just turn it, right, just to loosen it up. So obviously you're going to go left for loose. So I'm turning it, and it should come right off. Really quick, if you look fairly closely, that's what was causing my leak, just that little piece right there that's almost bent, and that's all it takes. It doesn't take much, but I'm going to put on a new piece, and that will fix the leak. New valve, you notice it's a half. Got it from Home Depot for like $8 or something along those lines. So yeah, I'm just gonna fit it obviously right in there, throw some plumber's tape on it, and we should be good to go. All right, so got my plumber's tape on there. Fit it right in like so. Screw it in. And I'm gonna tighten it with my wrench now. I'm gonna take my water line, I'm gonna reconnect it. Line there, so I don't drop it. Reconnect it, and we shouldn't have any leaks. All right, I'm just gonna hand tighten it for now. I'm definitely gonna wanna screw it, so I'm gonna make sure that this is tight. Turn the water on. Got a good sign there with the water on, no leaks yet. Turn the water on here. Look at that, no leaks. So again, it wasn't just the water line where it looked like it was actually coming out of here. It's the actual faucet. So hopefully this video helped. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Make sure you like and subscribe as well, please too. Always appreciate it.